Hey folks, today I am going to share something pretty surprising. Did you know that 95% of generative AI projects flop? And here is the kicker, it's not because the technology does not work. The real problem is how businesses are trying to use it. See, the tech itself is solid. Generative AI can do amazing things, but most companies trip up when it comes to planning and execution. They don't think enough about how it will fit into their workflows, how team will adapt, or how to manage change. So the issue is not the AI, it's poor strategy and messy implementations. Startups and big enterprises handle AI very differently. Startups are quick and their feet, they can test, tweak and move fast. Big companies though are bogged down with red tape. Decisions take ages, projects get stretched across too many teams and pilots end up being huge. Risky rollouts. That's why you see startups getting wins while larger businesses struggles. Here is another biggie. Money is going in the wrong places. A lot of companies spend most of their AI budget on sales and marketing, where it's really hard to measure returns. Meanwhile, the back office, where automation could save heaps of time and money, barely gets a look in. So the investment does not bring back the value they were hoping for. Key to success 1. To actually make AI work, you have got to view it into existing workflows. If it's just sitting off to the side as a flashy extra tool, people would not use it properly. The best approach is to map out how your progresses run, bring in the people who will actually use the system early on, and keep adjusting as you go. That way, the changes feels natural and everyone gets on board. Another smart move is starting small. Don't try to overhaul the whole company in one hit. That's a receipt for disaster. Run a pilot with a clear focus, test it and get feedback. Small wins build trust, prove the value, and give you the green light to scale gradually. It's basically about working before you try to run. These are metrics and KPIs. Finally, measure what matters. Track things like ROI, adoption rates, efficiency gains, and whether your pilots are hitting their goals. If you don't measure, you are just guessing. Good data keeps projects on track and helps prove the value to decision makers. So, to sum it up, generative AI is not failing because the tech is broken. It's failing because businesses rush in without the right planning, integration, or strategy. But with small pilots, proper workflows, and a clear way to measure success, AI can be a real game changer. Cheers for listening. Thank you. Thank you so much.